Okay, and question 5 is similar to question 4, where that we have, before it was 60 drops and now it's 10 drops. So we're going to do the same exact thing that the other question has asked. Our order is for 1 liter of normal saline to infuse over 24 hours. Our drop factor on the tubing is 10 drops per ml. And again, we're going to round to the nearest whole number. Then we're going to calculate how many drips per minute we will count. So the first part, again, would be ratio and proportion. And we know that 1 liter is 1,000 mLs, and we need it in 24 hours. So we don't know how many mLs we need, and it's going to be over one hour. So 24x, again, means times the extremes, 24x equals 1,000. We're going to divide it by 24, and we get 41.6. Again, the same as before, we need to make sure that it's in a usable form because this is going to be placed on an IV pump. So we're going to round this up. Again, this is greater than 5. So we're going to round this up to 42 mLs per hour. So that's going to be the first answer to our question, which is 42 mLs per hour. The desired over half, again, is the same, 1,000 mLs over 24, and we get 41.6, or 42 mLs per hour. Okay, so our first answer is completed. Now we need to go to the second step of this question, which is how many drops per minute. So we need to make sure, again, using our formula, the amount of the solution times the drop factor over our time. So we know we have 42 mLs times our drop factor, which is 10, and we're going to do it over 60 minutes, which gets us 42. We're going to cross off the zeros. So 42 divided by 6 is 7 drops per minute. You need to also make sure that you are labeling your dosages correctly, because if you did not label them correctly, you're going to be giving the wrong medication. Okay, so it's very important that you know that you label your medications correctly. So this is the answer, 42 mLs per hour and 7 drops per minute for this question.